So in this video, I just want to compare using the layout inserting against creating your own. So Darth Vader at the top here was created using this layout button, where it put a large placeholder, a text box that is set to title, and then straight underneath it, it put a text box set to normal text. Now, I created my own in the last video where I created a image of Elsa here, and I now will need to put some text boxes to mirror it. So I've resized my image to be the same size as Darth Vader. So I now need a text box. So if I click on Insert Text Box, I can make this into Queen Elsa. And if I make that into a title, now at the moment I can't really drag this easily. So if I click there, it doesn't want to move around because it's the full page width. So if I narrow it down and make it a bit shorter, I might be able to sneak it in next to her. So by dragging it there, let's make it into that size. Now by clicking on it, if I drag it up here, it's giving me the option to drop it in there. So you can see it's now mirroring. It showed me I could go in there. Now I will have another text box and I need to include some text about her. So I'm going to start typing. There we go. So again, I've got my text box, I can drag it in, and now it's giving me the option to snap it to. See how as I pick it up and drag it, it shows me I could drop it there, I could drop it into a whole width there, or if I take it up, it shows me the blue line shows where it will attach itself to the bit that says Queen Elsa. So I've now got two text boxes that are connected, the same width, just as I had up there. Now I could make them both a little bit longer. If I had a bit more text in, that would be fine. Doesn't make any material difference at the moment, but I've now got exactly the same as I could have made with a layout. I've made this one myself, but again, the layouts work absolutely fine. It's a good way to get content on quickly. I would always favour using the layouts because don't forget, even with the layouts, you can adjust and change the order of things and move things around, edit things and change things. It just seems a lot easier than having to hand make it yourself every time.